Brian,
Japan.
Okay guys, we are back with another video. Hope you guys like that last upload of Malachi's truck. Sorry if the wind noise is a little hectic, but this is my stepbrother's truck. I'm borrowing it. I'm running over to my buddy Chad's to throw the lift kit on the 79, get it pulled in the shop and stuff. So as many of you know, I don't have my 98 because it's getting the motor rebuilt and the 79 is all in pieces. So I asked my stepbrother if I could borrow his truck. I'm gonna go grab cameraman Clayton and then we're gonna head over there and hopefully get some footage of the 79. So stay tuned guys.
Brian,
Japan.
Alright guys, we got the 79 pushed in here as you've seen from the last clips or whatever. Chad's got a lot of projects going on here. 7-inch lift going on the Silverado. This is a Ford Excursion it had 54-inch military tires on it. It's got a huge leaf spring on the back and the tires for it are right back there. But we're gonna get going on here on the 79 project and stuff, so I just want to get some footage of it getting actually pushed in here and stuff since you guys have been asking for it. And I have new fenders for it. I got to get inner fenders for it. I'm going to change out the doors because I don't like this style of mirror on here. I want the ones that mount up here like the 80s style. Obviously it needs floor pans both sides, giant rust hole, that's where the tranny would be at. Cab corners will be changed, rockers will be changed, doors will be changed, and then obviously it's gonna have a lift. I'm gonna paint the bed black again, tires stuffed underneath there. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of the tire we went with here in a second, so stay tuned. Well, here's the tire that will be going on the 14-inch rim. IROC. Super Swamper, got that nice luggy pattern. There's the dimensions on it, a 33 by 13.5. They'll have a little bit of a stretched look to it, but just compared to the old one, I mean, it's a good 2 inches taller and just so much wider. I mean, 2 hand width versus 1 hand width. So I think it's gonna look pretty good on there. Have a nice stance to it and everything. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back here in a little bit. I'm gonna help Chad out a little bit here and get this Silverado wrapped up, and see you guys shortly. Okay guys, so for the lift kit, whole new front leaf spring. Gonna throw a new shock on there. New inner fender will be coming, as well as the outer fender here. I'm gonna go to a different style door, and then the rack back here. I'm gonna probably take out all this mesh. This bar will be gone, that bar will be gone, and this bar will be gone. Just to clean it up a little bit. Probably take a piece of flat steel and weld it straight across all these beams here, so I can put a big decal across the back and stuff, just to make it cleaner. And then for the back, it's got a block and stuff going in there. So that being said, that's gonna end this video. I'm gonna go home, get started on Loud and Proud's truck, getting it taken apart and stuff, and I'll see you guys soon. And remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll see you guys here shortly in the next video. Peace.